This is my road at the moment. Okay, so I'll tell you when there's a soft spot because I can feel it when I'm driving, yeah? So, there's probably a soft spot there because, hey, the tractor nearly went through the road. This here is the big soft spot. Now, can you see? I'll slow down a little bit. Can you see the road, how it is? It's wet. The road is wet. So look at the damage to the road that truck did. Oh my God. So, does anybody know how I can fix this? It's a clay loam. When it's a little bit wet, it's like driving on beach, like soft sand on the beach. It bogs you down, then kicks you out, then bogs you down, kicks you out. Neighbours say, don't run over the same track twice, because what happens is you crack the surface and you just go straight down. I've been keeping my momentum up a fair bit, and yeah, there's no way I'm fucking stopping there, mate. So, yeah, this is a bit soft here. Bit soft, not too bad, a little bit soft there, but yeah, so where it's gravelly like here, it's good. Look, there's container number 2, sitting there just waiting. Fuckity fuck. See you next time. Oh, subscribe.